All right, so question one, we're on the review. I want to show you guys at home something real quick, and everyone here, we're on question one on the review. All I have to do to pull up my formula chart is this button up here in the top right. It says information, and it pulls up my formula chart, right? It's also in the very beginning of the test. All you have to do is click it, save it to your desktop. You can even print it out if you want. You can just have it in another window. I don't care. You can use this. This right here it's going to be given to you the entire time, right? It's going to be on there. You should be looking at it. All right, so let's look at this first question. It says, this graph demonstrates an object that is what? Doing something, right? Well, this is a graph of one-dimensional motion, and the very first thing you do when you see a graph, look at the axes. Don't look at the line. Look at the axes. What do I mean by the axes? Do you know what axes are? Distance and time. This and this. This tells you the story. The line is just like, okay, here's what's going on. But you got to set it up by telling the story. We're looking at the distance compared to the time. As time goes on, how far do you get away? You should see these correspond to our equations as well. So what is this thing doing, right? So I can see that time is going on, right? Time is going on. Now, is it getting further or closer to me? At the origin. It is not. It is doing something here. What is it doing?
Going straight.
Is it going straight?
Stationary.
You can't see. That's where you can't mistake this stuff. Because this is a straight line doesn't mean anything. Look at what it's in terms of distance and time, right? Time is going on, right? 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. But look at distance. If this is your home, and this is 1 block away, 2 blocks away, 3 blocks away, 4 blocks away, 5 blocks away, where are you at and what are you doing? You're right there at the 4th block, not going anywhere, right? That is how you read graphs, right? Everyone's got to be able to do that. So that's question number 1. Let's move on to question number 2.